I'm not sure what this is. But if I'm not live, then I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure what this is. So today I'm just making a random video on nothing at all, but I don't even know. It might be very short because my iPad is very dumb and it says low storage when it has a lot of storage. I'm just talking about random things. And I just made slime, so all you need is Play-Doh, right? Any kind of Play-Doh. In this case, I have, oh gosh, I'm stepping on it. In this case, I don't know the name because I only had this on it. So yeah. Okay, but I had this slime, this Play-Doh. And you see that is like very stretchy. That popped because I wasn't doing it right. And then so all you need to do is add lotion to it like that. Then mix it up. If you guys don't hear that, you must be crazy. Okay. Now you just gotta mix it all up together. Ooh, I love this. May get stuck to your hands in the process, but it's really good slime, girl. It's good. And I'm gonna make lots of other slime videos for you to love. And you're gonna love it so much. You're gonna go flipping pole dancing, okay? So you're gonna love it so much. And this is the best slime ever. Well, not the best slime. You could do a little bit better. That's why my other videos are gonna be better in making slime. This is just a preview of my first slime batch. Nigga, I messed up. Okay. This is a preview of my first slime batch. My first slime batch. Let me twirl it. Let's twirl it. Let's twirl it. Let's twirl it. I don't know how to twirl yet, so this is the best I can do to twirling. Okay, now ready for the stretchiness. Let's go. That's the best stretchiness ever. Perfect. Perfect. I love you guys. And that's my slime video. I'm going to make longer slime videos in the future. So I love you guys. Bye guys. Give me an intro to do. Just tell me an intro.